Good day everyone. Our topic for today's lesson is all about I can simplify and evaluate linear equations with grouping symbols. Solving equations with grouping symbols. Let us solve this equation. So we have 6 multiply to the quantity of y minus 2 equal to negative 24. In order to solve this equation, we must simplify first the 6 multiplied to the quantity of y minus 2 by using distributive property. So we can multiply 6 multiply to y and also 6 multiply to the negative 2. Okay, and for the simplified form, so we have 6y minus 12 equal to negative 24. And again, we can now apply the addition property of equality wherein we can now cancel the negative 12 in order uh, to find the value of y. So we add the positive or the we add both sides by positive 12. Okay, so this will now become 6y, we have to bring it down, and then negative 12 plus positive 12, so this will be 0, cancelled out. So we have negative 24 plus 12, and we got negative 12. So we have now the 6y equal to negative 12. Now, next thing is to eliminate 6, okay, so that we have only the remaining y. Okay, so we have to divide it both sides by division property of equality, divide both sides by 6. So 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1, then negative 12 divided 6, we have y equal to negative 2. And you can always do the checking, so we have to substitute for the value of y. So we have 6 multiplied to negative 2 minus 2 is equal to negative 24. So okay, distributive property. So we have 6 times negative 2, we have the negative 12, and also 6 times negative 2, we have negative 12. Okay, so this will be, okay, so we have to distribute and multiply 6 to the quantity of negative 2 minus 2. So we have 6 minus, or 6 times negative 2, that will be negative 12, and also 6 times negative 2, so we have also negative 12 to negative 24. So negative 12 minus 12, so that will be equal to negative 24 and negative 24. So meaning our equation for the value of y is negative 2 is correct. It makes the equation balance. Equation 2 multiply to the quantity of x plus 4 equal to 10. So again, we must simplify first this equation, the first equation. So multiply 2 times x and also 2 multiply to 4 by using the distributive property. So 2 times x is 2x, then 2 times 4 is 8. So we got 2x plus 8 equal to 10. Now, our goal is to find the value of x by eliminating the numerical coefficient 2 and the constant 8. So, we have to add both sides by negative 8. So, this will now become, so bring down 2x and we now can now cancel out 8, and then 10 plus negative 8, that will become 2x equal to 2. And plus, by the way, you can also use transposition method, wherein in transposition method, you can easily transpose or move the negative 8 to the other side of the equation of this one. So it can be 2x equal to 10, and when you transpose or change or move the 8 to the other side of the equation, from positive, it will now become negative. So 2x equal to 10 minus 8. So it still have the same answer as 2x equal to. Okay, so this is transposition method. Okay, so to eliminate 2, we can simply apply the division property of equality wherein you can divide it both sides by 2. So 2 divided by 2, 1. Then x equal to 2 divided by 2, that will be x is equal to 1. So if you can check by substitute the value of x, we have 2, then 1 plus 4 equal to 10. So 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 4 is 8. And then we have 2 plus 8, that will equal to 10, meaning we have the same or correct balanced solution. Another example is 4 multiplied to the quantity of b minus 3 equal to 15. So again, multiply first the 4 to the quantity of b minus 8. Okay, then we will get 4 times b, that will be 4b. 4 times negative 3, that will be negative 12. Okay, so our goal is to find the value of b. So we have to add both sides by negative 12 or use the transposition method. So we have negative 12. This will be cancelled out, negative and positive 12. Bring down 4b, so we have 4b equal to 27. Okay, so to eliminate number 4, you have to divide it both sides by positive 4. So 4 divided by 4, and then b is equal to 27 over 4, or simply 6 and 3/4. So this will be the answer. What if our given is like this? So we have to multiply 3 multiply to the quantity of a plus 7, and 4 multiply to the quantity of a minus 2. So you have first to apply distributive property to simplify it first. Now, so the answer would become 3a plus 21 and then equal to 4a minus 8. So the main goal is to have the only one a, or we only have the one variable. So to cancel this out, you may choose either 3a or 4a, or you can use transposition method. So in this case, I will be using the addition property of equality to cancel one of those a's. So we have, or I have, add it both sides by negative 3a. So by adding negative 3a, this will be now cancelled out. So bring down positive 21 and positive 4a plus a negative 3a, that will become a, and then bring down also the negative a. Now the only thing that I would do here is to add both sides by the positive a. Okay, so to cancel out this negative a. So the answer will be a is equal to 29. So in this case, if you would like to check and balance your answer, you can substitute for a with 29. Okay, you can always do that check to make your answer check. Okay, so next example, I have 4x plus 2 equal to 5 multiplied to quantity of x minus 2. So again, you have to multiply first by multiplying 4 and x, 4 and 2, and also here, multiply 5 and x, and multiply 5 times negative 2. So the answer would be 4x plus 8 equal to 5x minus 10. Okay, you have to choose whether to cancel a 4x or 5x, or you can use transposition method. In this case, I would like to add both sides by negative 5x, so I can cancel this out. Okay, alright, so and I will apply addition property of equality, wherein I can add 4x plus negative 5x, that would be negative x, bring down 8, and also bring down negative 10. Okay, and the only problem here is to cancel out positive 8 by adding both sides by negative 8, always the opposite. Okay, so you can simply add, cancel this out, cancel out. So we have negative x equal to negative 10 plus negative 8, we have negative 18. Okay, and the problem is we have here negative in our variable x, so we can cancel this by using the division property of equality, or dividing both sides negative 1. So negative x divided by negative 1. So we have x, negative 18 divided by negative 1, we have 18 as our final value for x. That's all today's lesson. Thank you so much for listening. See you again. Goodbye.